How to recover a Fortnite account if unlinked. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to recover a Fortnite account if unlinked. Look at the top of the screen where your name or profile picture is usually located. Click on it to open a menu. Once the menu opens, you will see various options. Look for sign out and click on it. This will lock you out of your current account. Even though you've signed out, you're still on the Epic Games website. Look for the option to sign in again. This might be labeled as sign in or represented by a silhouette. Click on it. After clicking on sign in, you will see different options for signing in. Choose the one that corresponds to the console you want to link, like PlayStation, Xbox, etc. Then enter your login details for the console and click on sign in. After signing in, the website will redirect you to a new screen. On this new screen, look for an option that says link to an existing account and click on it. Now, you will need to sign in again, but this time with your Epic Games account details. Enter the email address and password associated with your Epic Games account and click on sign in. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.